And today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps launching on AliExpress app. To not find a solution about keeps launching on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to AliExpress and you will enter. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So if it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.